In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Leave section to check balances, request time off, and view holidays and shifts. Let's start by opening the Leave section. On the left sidebar, look for the option labeled Leave Tracker or simply Leave. The exact wording can vary by setup, but both take you to the same place where all your time off tools live. Once you're in, you'll see areas for your summary, balances, requests, holidays, and shifts. Begin with your Leave summary. This is your history. Think of it as a record of all leaves you've taken so far. It's useful for reviewing past entries, verifying dates you were away, and making sure everything matches what you expect. Right next to that, you'll find your leave balance. This shows how much leave you have left per type, such as vacation and sick. If you're planning ahead, the balance is your best friend. It helps you avoid submitting a request for more time than you have available. When you're ready to request time off, look to the top right and click Add Request. A form will open where you'll fill in the key details. Choose the leave type, like sick or vacation. Then set your from and to dates. Many systems will automatically calculate the duration based on your selections. If a reason is optional, keep it short and clear if you decide to include it. Something like medical appointment or family trip can be helpful for your approver. Once everything looks correct, click Submit to send your leave request. A quick tip before submitting: double-check the dates against your usual shift times so there's no overlap or accidental extra day selected. After submitting, you can track your request under Leave Requests. Each entry will show a status: pending while it's awaiting review, approved when it's accepted, or rejected if it isn't approved. This area gives you a clear snapshot of where things stand, so you don't have to guess whether it's been processed. Finally, take a moment to look at holidays and shifts. Click Holidays to see the official company holidays on the calendar. This is great for planning around long weekends or deciding when to use your remaining days. Click Shift to review your scheduled work hours. Knowing your shift times helps you pick accurate dates and avoid requesting time during hours you're not scheduled. That's it. With the Leave section, you can review your history, check your balance, request time off, track statuses, and plan around holidays and shifts, all in one place.